it's February 10th now. I'm starting this vlog. This is a new vlog, and I wanted to open up my Kinder Scott necklace and also show Levi's towel warmer. But Levi got me a Kinder Scott for Valentine's Day, so I'm gonna open it up on camera. Also, I got a pair of overalls today. These are amazing. They're from Marshall's, and I'm in love with them. They fit me so well, so that's exciting. Carlin's on her way over here. And I'm gonna go ahead and open up I'm gonna go ahead and open up this necklace now. So first, we have this little note. It says Happy Valentine's Day, love Levi. Well, thanks Levi, that's so sweet. And then, so this is the third Kinder Scott necklace he's gotten me. So this is kind of like a routine, but I already know which one it is because he ruined the surprise. But I decided I'll open it up on camera anyways because you guys don't know which one it is. Alright, so typically when you open the Kinder Scott box, it opens like this, and then inside the baggie here is the necklace, but here it is. I'm completely obsessed. It's probably my favorite one I've gotten so far. The one I wear every day that's on my neck right now is just a standard druzy, and I mean, it was really pretty when it came to, but I actually wear it so often that I made it dirty, so I'm excited to have gotten a new one. And Levi's in another room with his roommates, so he's not here to see me open this, but he knows I already know what it is, so thank you, Levi, I love you, and I'm gonna go ahead and wear this now. Yeah, so a year ago he sent this to me for Valentine's Day, and actually it's held up really well, and I never take it off, so, but I'm so excited about this one. It's so pretty. You guys are spitting on me. They're mad because I opened my necklace without Levi. I should have waited for you, I'm sorry.
Elephant snout. Look at this. Oh, I can't undo it.
Elephant snout.
So happy you're enjoying my Kinder Scott bag.
Oh my god.
I would like you so much better.
Oh my god. If this was like, and then like this would dangle and I could decorate it with like jewelry. Could decorate the dangly bits. I could bedazzle it.
Hello everyone. We look so spiffy. Actually, Levi looks nice. Don't really have that nice of a but we are headed to Charlie Guido's. I call it Guido's, but it's a really nice Italian restaurant. We're going on an early Valentine's date, and so we're headed to that restaurant now, and I'm excited, so I'll vlog a little bit of it if I remember, and then we're gonna come back home tonight and, I don't know, make strawberry daiquiris. Is that what we're doing? So fancy. We both got the same thing. First up, we got toasted ravioli. The tiniest ones I've ever seen ever. Dude, Levi's looks good too. We both got the same thing, so
looks the same.
I also got some wine.
Get that preschool son.
What? Levi has the best handwriting. Like, I've never seen a boy with good handwriting.
Got that nice.
That's like sexist.
Draw a sun, but that
part
doesn't want to be written on.
Yeah, that part doesn't.
Well, you get half a sun. You're gonna have some cloud coverage there.
Yeah. You know what she didn't ask us, Eva? We wanted dessert. That's okay. I'm not upset about it.
I am.
Okay, it's February 12th now. I am warming my car up, about to head to work. I will vlog a little bit more, hopefully this week, get more footage. There's not really much going on, just working. It's Monday, so it's gonna be another, hopefully, quickly moving week. Homemade chicken strips and cane sauce. And we're having floats. It's February 17th now. I just got my hair done. I didn't do a before clip, and I'm sorry about that, but excuse me. And so, yeah, it's beautiful. It's very blonde. This is like the blondest it's been. I feel like last time I got it done, it looked super blonde, and I was able to keep it relatively blonde because Fanola sent me some products, but this time, like leaving, and especially since I think it's snowy outside, it just looks so icy. I'm in love. So we're taking it slow. I'm going every 5 or 6 weeks to get it done by Christy at Jujubes. If you're in the St. Louis area, hit her up. She's the best. So we're taking it slow, healthy. My hair feels soft, and I'm going to head home now. And I think tonight I'll be going over Levi's, so that's fun. I don't know what I'm gonna do until then, though. The Queen is 400. The Queen's 400. Might need a mattress. Don't really know what that footage was, but I just got back from Indian food and Sam's with my dad. We ran some errands. Completely forgot to really vlog the Indian food, but it was fantastic. Still loving my hair, and I just sat down. My desk looks really messy right now, anyways, I just sat down. I have the camera I want in my shopping cart on bnhcameras.com, and I can't buy it apparently until tonight at like 7 o'clock. Checkout isn't available until then. So yeah, I think as of today I'm making the decision to go ahead and just buy the camera because I think that it'll be a good investment for me, and right now is probably the best time for me to do it. I've been wanting one for a long time now, so yeah. But I don't know, I'm probably gonna film a video. My lighting system's downstairs in the basement. Carlin came over last night and we took photos for her birthday down there in front of my Diva ring light, and so I might go down there and film something. I'm not really sure what I want to film. I do need to do a review of the Fanola hair care products that were sent to me, but I haven't gotten a chance to use all of them, and I want to like use all of the products before I do a full review, or maybe I will just do like an overview of the ones I have used and then do another video later on kind of showing the rest of them that I want to use. I don't know. I got sent quite a few products, so I hopefully will get that up eventually, but I don't know what video I want to film. I'll have to decide pretty soon here because I have a little bit of time to kill, so I might as well do something productive. Alright, so since the mount on my dashboard fell off, I can't mount my phone right now. Apparently my phone's too heavy for the dashboard, like, phone mount that I got from Five Below. It was a little cheap. Anyways, trying to keep my eyes on the road. I'm headed to Levi's, so I wanted to vlog real quickly. And I guess he might not even be there. I don't know. I think he may have already left to go grocery shopping. Hopefully he'll wait for me. But tonight's the night. I'm probably going to buy my camera in like less than an hour or so, when I can get it off of bnhcamera.org or whatever. So I'm going to go to Levi's now and concentrate on driving. You only live once. Good job, buddy. Levi, where are we?
Walmart.
What did you just do in Walmart?
A headstand. Oh, wow.
That almost was a disaster. Alright, so I'm at Levi's and I'm about to buy my Canon G7X. I was able to get it down to $546. I'm getting the new camera. I'm not gonna have to use my phone anymore. Levi died. So yeah, it's official. My camera's coming on Monday, so just a few days. Monday or Tuesday. I don't actually know when it's gonna be here. Probably Monday, I hope. Okay, it is February 18th now. It's Sunday. Unfortunately, the weekend's already almost over. I hate how quickly the weekends go. But today, Levi and I are going to run some errands. We're going to go get his oil changed, and then we might be going to see the Black Panther movie. So I will vlog all of that fun stuff, and I don't know what else we're going to do. But my camera comes tomorrow, so, or maybe Tuesday. I don't know. It's either going to come tomorrow or Tuesday. Regardless, I'm excited. And I'm just chilling right here with this is Rascal. He's 17 years old. I was reading comments on my most recent video, which basically was a video of me complaining. I have done those a few times now. It was supposed to be sort of like a sit down, just like real video, and that's what it was. But overall, like, all the comments so far have been great because they're really helpful for me, whether they're critiques or they're just nice comments. Like, regardless, it's all very helpful. So thank you all for commenting on my most recent video. It was the video called I Don't Know, because I really don't know. I just wanted to film something yesterday, and that's kind of what I decided to film. So yeah, I'm going to wait for Levi to be done doing whatever he's doing. I think he's washing his hair, and then we're gonna head out. We're back at Walmart because that's what we do. He got his oil change, or he's getting his oil change, so we're gonna look at the clearance aisle.
Oh, it's this one. I'm Buzz Lightyear, Space Ranger. This one kind of looks like me.
It does. Oh, they actually like us. Look at them, they're actually looking at us. Makes me sad.
Do you think Kevin and me would eat one if I got one?
Kevin would.
Do those stay that small?
I don't know. I actually think
They're only 38 cents.
I've had a goldfish before and it died pretty quickly because you have to like they need to have an actual aquarium, and mine was just in a fishbowl. Bear? Check it out, we're at the store again.
Hey, you can get these for half
They
the
literally
price of Girl
taste
Scout cookies, and they'd be the exact
same. I know.
Wait, those are the exact same?
They basically taste the same.
Oh wait, no, those aren't thin.
They're
Mint.
the
The Thin Mint ones,
yeah. The ones from Walmart are delicious.
What are we doing? Are you guys? They're having their appetizer before dinner. It's fun dip. Stick out your tongue.
Mine was pink, so you're not gonna be able to tell.
Oh, I think I got a pink one too. We're making pork loins. They're making pork loin.
Yeah, we are. And potatoes, baked potatoes, and greenery beaneries.
It's gonna be yummy.
Yum yum.
This is really good stuff. What do we got here? Baked potato, green beans, pork loin. It's done, and this is what Stuart does every time he sits down to eat. Not really, but we do listen to some good music. Just making some brownies. So it's February 19th now, and I'm really excited because after work today, I'm hoping my Canon 27X Mark II will be at my doorstep, and I cannot wait to open it. I'll probably I wanted to film an unboxing video of it, so if I can get that done, if it arrives early enough tonight, I might do that. Alright, so I'm headed home from work. I am so excited my camera has arrived. My mom told me it did. And also apparently now the UPS drivers or whoever delivers it takes a photo of it on my porch and puts it on the Amazon app. I didn't know that was a thing, so I even saw a photo of my package on my porch. So I'm gonna go home and unpack that and unbox it, probably in a legitimate YouTube video, not on this vlog, if I have time. And then if I don't have time to film the actual video itself, then I'm going to like include it in this vlog. But anyways, once I have gotten the camera unpacked and everything, I'll probably go ahead and end this vlog and start it up again later this week, because I don't know, like, well, okay, at some point I'm going to vlog a day in my life, like at work. But if you guys don't already know this, I vlog every day at work for our weekly vlog series Behind the Pulse, and you can watch that on our YouTube channel, which is Pulse Fashion. But I'm gonna stop vlogging and driving now, and I will vlog more later when I get home. Okay, so my camera is inside this box. I definitely want to film an unboxing. I'm probably going to bring my lighting system up here and film one real quickly. It doesn't even really feel real that I'm like opening it right now. There it is. It looks beautiful. I am so excited. Cannot wait to open this. And then also, look at all these accessories it came with. This is going to be so fun to unbox on a video because there's actually just more than the camera to unbox. Alright, here it is. I just got done filming a unboxing of it. It went really well. It was kind of funny because I opened it up and realized that I got the European version. Yes, I already knew that, but it came with a charging cable that was European, and I panicked. Kind of, but not really. I was like, okay, I'll just order one on Amazon. And then, lo and behold, at the very bottom of this box, I found a cord that was an US cord. So, yay! Anyways, yeah, this camera is amazing. And the accessories kit is also really great. It came with a bunch of cool stuff. The only thing I still want to get for this camera is like a case that I can carry around with me that's smaller, because the one they sent me is pretty darn big. That's not going to fit in my purse, so I want to get a cuter, kind of smaller case. There are a few on Amazon that I've looked at. So anyways, I'm going to start vlogging on this really soon. I'm definitely going to bring it over to Levi's tonight and play around with it there. That will end the vlogs on my iPhone 7 Plus, which are not bad. Like, the quality that I'm using right now of my phone isn't bad. It's just I don't like to kind of, I don't know, it's too much space that's taking up my phone, if that makes sense. So, excited to have this camera, really thankful I was able to save up for it, and I can't wait to start vlogging. I am double vlogging right now. I wanted to go ahead and end this vlog right now so I could start a new one on this camera, and I hope you guys all enjoyed.